Dave Farmer, Loan Consultancy, and I'm going to tell you how to get a better deal when mortgaging mixed use or semi-commercial property. Firstly, please do me a favour and click the like button and subscribe to our channel, as every little bit really helps. So how do you get a better deal when mortgaging semi-commercial or mixed use property? Well, as a guide, the cost of mortgaging for commercial or mixed-use property is higher than a standard buy-to-let mortgage. And there are many reasons for that, but the rate itself is higher. So how do you get that rate back down in your favour? There are a couple of things you can do. Firstly, ask yourself the question of, do I need to rely on the commercial element of rent to fund the mortgage payments? Or is the residential income alone enough to justify the mortgage? If we can rely just on the residential income, it means we can exclude the commercial from the affordability calculation, and we can move you back down towards a more standard buy-to-let type of rate. The other part there is, what's the layout of a property? Is the property 50-50 between commercial and residential? Is the commercial a much larger part? Or is it that the residential is the larger part? It's very often that the residential is the larger part of the overall property. And that's because the commercial is generally one floor at a ground level, and then there's more than one floor above a residential property. So it's not unusual to see a 1/3, 2/3 split in favour of residential. So if a residential element is the majority of a property footprint, actually, again, we can move you back towards normal residential buy-to-let rates. So next time you're looking at a semi-commercial or mixed-use property, have a look at what the income split is. It does make a difference, so don't take it as a total, look at it separately. And also look at the overall layout of a property. Is it mainly commercial or mainly residential? Because judged on those two things means that we can often take you from a standard commercial sort of rate back down to a lower buy-to-let rate. And as we know, every little bit helps. Any questions, or if you want to talk about how to mortgage residential properties in more detail, get in touch. Always here and happy to talk. Please subscribe, please like the video, and I'll talk to you again very soon.